checking out the newly released this year, probably in time for Christmas, the Foreman Smokeless Grill. This is the party size. It says, bring the outdoor experience indoors. And we are actually doing that right now. We just put 5 nice looking hamburgers on the Foreman. It says George Foreman in front there. This is the large party size. They had a great deal at Home Depot on these in our area. $20 off. It was a pretty good bargain. It's electric. It says it's got the George Tough grill. Non-stick, of course. A little bit of smoke, but no more than you would have, or maybe even a little less than you would have on a frying pan. But the good part is you get those nice grill marks, hopefully, and the grease falls down into an easily removable pan in the bottom. We have been putting tin foil in the pan, and you just wad up the tin foil and throw it away. Super easy. Anyway, we'll check back when we flip in just a second. All right, we're going to go to the flip of the first hamburgers on the Foreman Smokeless Grill. Hey, now that looks good, folks. You do want to be sure to use your regular non-stick utensils on the grill to protect the non-stick coating. But man, that's looking just like outside. And we actually have about a foot of snow outside right now, so this is very welcome grilling. That's looking excellent, folks. What more info do you need? You unplug it, you lift the grill out, you wash it in the sink, you take the tin foil out of the drip pan, wipe her down, and you're ready to go for next time. That's your preview. George Foreman, there it is, Smokeless Grill. Great deals right before the holidays on these. If you like to grill and you live in a cold climate and you want to get some good grilling during the wintertime, we definitely give this one a thumbs up.